In this video, I will briefly go over abstract data types, also known as ADTs, and answer the following questions. What are ADTs, and why are they relevant? So to start, imagine you want to buy something from a vending machine. And as a user, the machine provides you with two operations: to insert money and select a product. In return, the machine vends you with a product. Now, these two operations here are provided by the vending machine for you in an abstract way, such that all you care about is what they do and not how they're implemented. So, what each operation does, not how it does it. Now, for abstract data types, imagine a list, for example. A list is an ADT, and an ADT is implemented through a data structure. So, data structure implementation. Now, a list could be implemented through multiple data structures, and such as a dynamic array and a linked list. So both of these data structures could implement and represent a list. Now, why is a list an abstract data type, and why are those two data structures? A list has an abstract implementation such that the operations, like you could add to a list, remove, and find, are provided for you as a user and what they do without caring about how they're implemented. As for a data structure, the implementation of operation is exposed to you as a user. So the implementation of operations is exposed, such that if you want to perform an operation on a data structure, you would need to manipulate indices or nodes in this case. Okay, so just to summarize again, in an ADT, you care about what the operations do instead of how they're implemented. So you have an abstract point of view. As for a data structure, if you want to use the operations, you would need to manipulate and work with the implementation of the data structure, and it's exposed to you as a user. And always, abstract data types are represented through data structures. Now, why are ADTs relevant? ADTs help us with problem solving. How is that? ADTs help you focus on what to do with data instead of how to do it. Again, back to the list example for the add operation allows you to add an element into the list without worrying about how that is implemented or details about that. So it's like an abstract operation. And all ADTs have set behaviors, so like definite behaviors and operations, which allow for a consistent use of those abstract data types. For example, a list will always have the operations that you can add to it, remove from it, find an element, and so on, regardless of how it is implemented and through which data structure.